Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jetson hoverboard. First, make sure your hoverboard is powered off. Then, find a flat, level surface, like a smooth floor, and place your hoverboard there. It's super important that both foot pads are completely horizontal and that you don't put any weight on the board during this entire process. This preparation ensures a successful reset. Now, let's get into calibration mode. Gently press and hold the power button. For most Jetson hoverboards, you'll hold it for about 5 seconds. However, if you have a Jetson Sphere model, you might need to hold it for up to 15 seconds. You'll know it's working when the indicator lights start flashing. Once they do, you can release the button. After releasing the power button, your hoverboard will confirm the calibration. You'll notice the flashing lights will stop, or you might hear a series of beeps. Some Jetson models even play a short musical tune, and a few will announce calibration successful. This indicates that the internal balance mechanisms have been realigned and are ready for the next step. To finalize the reset, power off your hoverboard completely. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Your hoverboard should now be recalibrated and ready to ride smoothly. If you still notice any issues, like beeping or uneven spinning, don't worry. Simply repeat these calibration steps 2 or 3 more times for a hard reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.